So in a previous video, I mentioned that we need to test for bugs in Subtitle Edit 5, and I did comment on this post on changing some options in settings, makes the app freeze. There are a couple of fixes that have been made, and I actually mentioned it in a video I did at around 150 seconds or something. Now, a fix has been made more or less for that, but unfortunately, beta 25 is not any better. So yeah, I'm on beta 25, and this is still what happens once I try to do that. Let's say right now I can actually click inside here, but when I go to change the settings right here, and let's assume I want to go maybe for something different like 37 and click on apply. Once I click OK and try to click inside, nothing happens. So that particular bug is still persistent. So yeah, and if I hover over Subtitle Edit down here and try to click on the X, you're going to see the settings dialog box appear again. Now I don't know what's happening, and I can't click anything else right here. Nothing seems to work. I can't right click, I can't left click. All that I need to do now is just, you can actually now see it's no longer available there. That is the dialog box for settings. It's back again. All I need to do is just close that. So that's what's happening with that particular bug. It's causing everything else to freeze once you make changes in the settings. And for this case, I'm trying out like changing the characters per whatever, so that I see what changes right there. So please kindly help us with that. Thanks.